Cooking oil into a spoon. Pour a tablespoon of cooking oil into it. Gently tap the egg with a spoon to crack it. Crack the egg into a bowl. Place the egg on the bowl and let go of it. Press the induction power button to turn on the induction cooker. Set the heat to medium. Wait until the frying pan is sufficiently heated. Pour the eggs from the bowl into the frying pan. Place the plate with the eggs. Please wait until the eggs are cooked. Sprinkle a little salt on the egg. Try flipping the egg with a spatula. Please wait until the eggs are cooked. Turn off the induction cooker by pressing the... Use the spatula to place the egg on a plate. The heat was adjusted well and the eggs were cooked perfectly.